Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to automatically post to Facebook group. This is a tool that helps you manage multiple Facebook accounts on a single computer. Here you'll find features related to account management. As you can see here, the tool allows you to manage multiple Facebook accounts and log into several accounts at the same time. For example, here you just need to click on log into account. As you can see on the screen, the software has already opened and loaded many accounts at once. Moving forward, let's take a detailed look at the post feature. Within this interface, you will see the post function displayed on the screen. Navigate to the group post section and then manually select the specific groups where you intend to post your content. To effectively select the groups you want to post in, we will utilize the powerful feature known as group scanning. From this screen, you will navigate to the group scanning feature and then select the Scan Group ID option. Here, I will select an account and you will choose Scan by keyword. I will enter the keyword here. Then select the number of groups you want to scan. Let's get started. Thank you for watching. And see you next time. When scanning groups, pay attention because information such as the group status will appear here. The status of the group, the number of members, and the group link. Here, the group UID will also be displayed and you can export it to a file if needed.